if I come and preach as a God reincarnate, there will be many who believe me. You know why? You know why? If I come and preach as God reincarnate, there will be many who will follow me. Do you know how he got reincarnate? Jesus is God reincarnate. Because Jesus learned reincarnation from the Hindus and the Buddhists. The real reincarnation. And Jesus used the word Son of God. Because in Hindus and all of those, they are all called sons of God. Many of them are sons of God. And Buddha also, but they don't call themselves God, they do not believe in God. But they still have what we call sons of God. There are lots of people around this earth, when we beginning of time, they call themselves sons of God.
Yeah, the Chinese emperor is the father son.
Oh, what Chinese emperor son of God? I'm talking about. That day I was reading to you, you know the sons of God? We see the beautiful women on earth, they came down and have sex with them and produce. They are the sons of God. But are they sons of God? They could be aliens. All you know. They are sons of God. There are a lot of sons of God, from the beginning of time. This I don't know. This you must get the book, that particular book, unexplained. You have seen the book, isn't it? The book is available on market. Don't get a book, but it's expensive.